HTML commands are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. What I mean by that, so HTML command tag, you can add a command to your HTML source by using the following syntax. Like for example here with the exclamation point here, and with the hyphen or dash. And between those tags here, starting and the ending tag, this is one the starting tag and this is one the ending tag, and inside it you can specify or write in your command here. Like for example in our case, which is learn about HTML lists in our case. Save it, and as it's nothing, it will be displayed in our web page here. And that's because comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. So also with the commands, you can place notification reminders in your HTML code. Like for example, making a command that helps other developers to know what this code is all about. For example, in this one here, the developer will see the source code and he will know that this code is all about the ordered list. And also you can hide with the commands the content by, for example, commenting. So commands can be used to hide the content. This can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. For example, if we want to hide our ordered list here, we can just put our order list here between the opening and the closing command tags. Let's wrapping up our order list. See, now it will hide our content in the web page. That's it for the HTML commands.